Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas day 22, and I'm super excited because we are almost finished. For those who are new here, my name is Lisa. Yo, I'm that girl. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, hey babe, welcome back. I missed you. Today I woke up on I don't want to say I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Like, am I tripping or is my wig just not? I don't care at this point. Today I woke up on the wrong side of the bed because I don't know, I was feeling a little bit discouraged about content creating and all that stuff, and just kind of thrown out of the loop because I've been consistent for 21 days now, and I don't know. I'm just keep my thoughts to myself because you never know what the universe is gonna do. Okay, Vlogmas day 22. I gotta go to work. I know, I'm sorry, y'all. It's the holidays. This is the days that we make the most money. I gotta be there because right now, that's what's paying my bills. So I gotta go. My bills gonna get paid. Period. I'm drinking my coffee. I actually gotta leave now because I'm supposed to be at work now, so I have to leave. But yeah, I get off pretty early today, so I just want to come in and introduce this vlog and tell y'all a little bit of how I'm feeling, how I woke up, and why my energy is not the best right now. Yeah. What was I gonna say? I'm trying to drink water with my coffee because I didn't eat anything, but I did need to like have something to like wake me up. Oh, I did speak to Gymshark. They emailed me like at like 3 in the freaking morning, and I just wrote them back because yeah, either she asked me for my name and my address, so I hope she's sending me a new one because girl, it's Christmas. Like, I don't want to hear no going back and forth debating. Somebody stole my package. Send me a new one so I can give it to my man for Christmas morning, period. And his main gift is here. He said he didn't really want anything for Christmas, so I was just thinking like, okay, like, I'll get him something that I know he wants, and then give him some stuff for working out, and then like contribute to like studio time. So I was like, yeah, I'll probably just do those 3 things and then call it a Christmas because men are very simple. And yeah, me, I have no idea what I want for Christmas. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what I want for Christmas. I do want some sneakers, like some new Asics, because I've been wanting some like new workout sneakers. Probably some workout attire. But honestly, I don't know. I do need a new everyday bag because my bag that I have now is, the zipper is broken. I've had that bag for 2 years. I love it down, got it from Shein, and it's been that girl ever since. But the zipper is broken. So, time for a new bag. And it's been time for a new bag. I just was like ignoring it. So yeah, gotta get a new purse, a new everyday purse. So I'm kind of on a hunt for that. I might do some shopping in the mall today. I'm not sure. Anyways, let me stop chatting. I will check back in with y'all later when I'm home because I think I want to go to the gym. I'm not sure. I haven't been to the gym in like a few weeks because I've been doing Vlogmas and I think about Christmas content and I forgot all about my health and my wealth and fitness and all that other stuff. So I'll check back with y'all later. Bye. Oh my god, it is so dark. Hey y'all, so I just got off of work. I am tired and I'm so mad I gotta go to work tomorrow, but it's alright. Today's Sunday. I don't even know if I told y'all today was Sunday. Did I even start this vlog? If I didn't start this vlog, hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. If you're new, my name is Lisa. Y'all, I'm that girl. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, hey babe, welcome back. It's Sunday, Vlogmas day 22. 22? Look at my phone. Where the hell is my phone? Vlogmas day 22. And it's a Sunday, so we're gonna do a Sunday reset today. I hate that I'm doing this the day that I work because I was at work and I stayed longer at work today too because I had to make that money. But we're gonna reset the home. It's nothing crazy, nigga. I don't gotta mop. I don't gotta do all of that extra stuff. Like, I just gotta like get things back in order, get things where they're supposed to go, wipe things down, wash some clothes, wash my bed sheets, and get things back in order. Wipe this couch down because I got makeup on it. I'm so glad I got a couch that you can take the covering off and wash it. I love that. That's why I picked this couch. This is the Maggie sofa from Ashley Furniture. You can get it from Raymore and Fleming, and also JCPenney sells it too. Love this. You can take everything off, down to like the cushions, the pillows. They can all come off, and you put them right in your washer and put them right back on. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Because I'm super like, I'm a big germaphobe, so I don't play that shit. I need to be able to wash my couch, you know? So I have to do that. And we're cooking Sunday dinner. I'm excited. So yeah, let's get into this process. This long process. I don't even know where I'm gonna start. I think I'm gonna just start washing clothes. I think I have clothes in the washer already, so I'm gonna just start with that. Y'all know, y'all can see it. I am tired. I straightened up the living room. I might wipe. I'm not going to wear it. I straightened up the living room. The living room is all clean. I don't know what this makeup is. Like I just cleaned this spot and they got another makeup spot on my couch, but it's fine. So the living room is straightened up. I'm waiting for my my Roomba. Is it Roomba? I'm waiting for it to charge so that it can like sweep up whatever's on the floor, because I'm not doing the sweeping because I'm not doing it too much. Let me plug my Christmas tree up. So yeah, the living room is pretty much clean. I do gotta change out my sheets, and I'm waiting for these clothes to finish.
You took the bedroom sheets. You want to keep
the Christmas sheets? No, I'm gonna keep the Christmas sheets. I'm about to wash them and then dry them and put them back on because I like the Christmas vibe. Sorry, y'all. He's like, he want his bamboo sheets back.
Wait, is it bamboo? No, it's not.
No, it's linen.
Yeah, linen. Chances are, I pay too much money.
Yeah, those is what, $200 sheets, $300 sheets. He want his linen sheets back. I'm actually thinking about ordering some more linen sheets. No, actually, H&M Home got some, and they're like not that expensive. So
why didn't you get those?
I just found out about the H&M Home ones.
Maybe get $200 sheets. So at H&M Home got what, $30?
I don't know. I think it was like 60 or 40. I'm gonna see though. I'm gonna go check it out because I saw it and I was like, what? They got linen and cotton sheets? I didn't even know that. So I think, and they have actually, no, it was a duvet cover. I want to buy it because the duvet cover that I have now is polyester, and that's probably why I be like sweating like crazy, because polyester is a synthetic fabric. So H&M Home has a duvet cover. I believe it's linen or it might be cotton. So I want to go get that for my duvet. But yeah, I'm gonna let this load finish, And I'm actually about to start cooking soon, so, but I want to take my sheets off and straighten up the room before I do that, so let's go do that. So yeah, I'm about to start cooking because I have like 2 batches of clothes going in the room. My sheets gotta go in next, and that's when I can finish the room. So I'm like, while that's going, let's start cooking. So we are making fried chicken with macaroni and cheese and veggies today because I haven't had that in a long time, and that's what my boyfriend wanted. So let's get the cooking. Is my camera like... So let's get the cooking. I'm excited.
made this.
White diamonds, 2 a.m. she rollin'. She sick, got the stomach in her comments. What school you went to? God in the Compton. Westchester, King, True, Blue, Pumpkin. Yo, but that dog, give me that's on top. All my kids are sucking up. Have you ever took a fade and ran? You went back to back, or you haven't been shopping, yes I am. Meditate over some money, you'll see Franklin, I find man. I'm from the land, don't say you hate it, labor.
So guys, just finished doing my skincare routine, hygiene, all that stuff. Just finished doing everything I needed to do. I still have one. That's your third one. I did my skincare. My skin has been going through it. I have a lot of new acne scars, and kind of over it because I'm like, if it ain't one thing, it's another with my skin. Like, damn, I'm getting rid of some of the new ones popping up. It's just annoying. So, go through that right now. I want to drink some tea today. I really do. I want to drink some tea. Yeah, I want to drink some tea before I go to bed. So let's get ready for bed because I'm tired. And when those is done, I'm gonna put those in the dryer and I'm going right to bed. I'm gonna put it on 70 minutes because by the time they have enough time to dry. So when I wake up in the morning, those clothes will be dry, and I gotta put my sheets on the bed. So let's put the sheets on the bed.
My neck gon' guarantee no $100 late. Just know you took the scenic part if you think about me, stupid. So fly in this 50 on me, don't die trying it. I'm bumping down when I slide in this. Beavers and the jets outside in it. West side, get the money, yeah, that's for sure. Streets don't love you, respect.
Okay, y'all. So I'm about to close out this vlog here because it is super late. It's literally almost 2 o'clock in the morning. This vlog is going up at 2 a.m. I'm so sorry, y'all. But work, cleaning, cooking, editing. I have to work, go to work, come to work, clean, cook, and edit all in one day. That's like, come on, that's damn near impossible. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog and Vlogmas Day 22. It was a reset. We're resetting ourselves for the new week. It is Monday. I'm going to bed and I'm going to wake up early because I have to wake up early because I want to get a good start of the week started, if that makes sense. So I will see y'all Vlogmas Day 23. Everybody's nervous. I will see y'all Vlogmas Day 23. I love y'all and I will see y'all tomorrow or later. Technically.
I'm gonna say it's your girl Elisa.
No. Y'all remember when I used to say that? Oh my gosh. Bye y'all. I'll see you tomorrow.